Imagine a life where you're able to deal with insecurity, social anxiety and fear, where you are in power and a leader. What if I tell you that you can achieve all of this and live your life like this forever? Welcome to the secret of self-confidence, which will elevate you in all realms of life. If you want to escape from not being able to approach people, believe in yourself, then you're in the right place. Trust me, I've been in your shoes. My journey started when I was 13, not having any friends or anything that can be talked about. But in the last few years, I've uncovered the formula for confidence. Now I can talk to anyone and believe in myself and whatever I do. And today I'm here to pass it on to you. Now let me be clear, self-confidence is not about who you are. You can be anything. Self-confidence is just like building a character in a video game. Do the right things and you're up to the level 100. What you lack is not the inability to do stuff. You lack the correct mindset, power and trust with yourself. Everything starts in your mind. Reprogram your mind, because clearly your mind right now is not confident, and you have to start from there. Have a little carefree attitude towards the world. Release yourself from overthinking. May it be about your relationship or your result. Be free from the anxiety of these things. Do not give overly importance to anyone or anything. It's your power. You're the one thinking about them or those things. Stop doing that and take the power for yourself. Now comes the action. Your self-confidence is directly equivalent to the trust you have with yourself. So you have to build that. Start small. Tell yourself that you're gonna make your bed and end up doing it. Tell yourself that you're gonna use social media 15 minutes less than your usual time and end up doing that. And slowly you're gonna start building the trust that you need with yourself. Proceed to do this process and slowly add bigger things. After a while you're going to realize, oh shit, I can do anything I want. And voila, you have power and you started to believe in yourself. Now only one step remains. This trust with yourself and power is only the recipe to upgrade your character. These are only the ingredients to upgrade the character. But the main thing that you wanted to do remains, actually upgrading the character. How do you do that? Do the things that a confident person does. You have already gotten the resources to upgrade your character. Now it's time to actually level up. The resource you have is you should have built enough trust that you can now be confident. And the action you need to perform to level up is you're talking to someone, give them a compliment. It's as easy as that. And boom, you've reached level 10. Again, the resource you have is that you can trust yourself to talk to people. The action is go send a message to the person you wanted to talk to. Boom, level 20 reached. Help someone who is in bad mood, level 35 reached. Take an opportunity to address a crowd, and level 70 achieved. The thing is, you've already done the hard part, correcting your mindset and doing the action. This last part is just a fruit for your hard work.